I've ordered a lot of stuff from eBay. Some of it panned out, and some of it just straight up did not pan out. But today, I have something that probably did. I believe this is a hard drive, and I was seeded a replacement from the person that sold it to me because they didn't have any more of the one at stock, and when it said it got delivered, it actually didn't. And as I assume it got lost in the mail somewhere. So here we go, here's my replacement. And this is supposed to be a 2.5 inch 7200 RPM hard drive, and a 1 terabyte one at that, so I'm pretty excited about this. I can put this in a MacBook and it'll run faster than its original hard drive. So I already got this open, and I planned a whole bit where I pulled out these instead of these and pretended to open it with these, even though I was opening it with these, but I showed the label on this and on this, so that was bad. Anyway, so here is the hard drive, I assume. If it's not a hard drive, I don't know what in the world it could be. That's a lot of bubble wrap. I like it. Nice. Seagate Constellation 2. Yeah, it's sticky. Get out of the way. So yeah, we have a Seagate Constellation, e-commerce Seagate Constellation 2. I don't know, I can't see what the size is. Let's get this out of the bag, shall we? Get out of the way. So here we have the hard drive. The little slit is open here. That's what she said. And this is going to be really difficult to do with one hand. And impossible to do with one hand. Jesus. Hey! Get out of the way. So now we have a, what's the size on this? This is manufactured in 2016. I don't see a size like anywhere. Wow, okay. Actually, I'm not even sure if this will fit in the machines that I'm planning to put this kind of drive in. Where's the size, dang it? Don't make me look it up. I'm gonna have to look it up, aren't I? Damn. Ah! Get it. One terabyte. So I'm assuming this is going to be a success, although this may not fit in a MacBook. I may just have to resort to putting it in the Mac Minis, but yeah, so I got a 1 terabyte Seagate Constellation 2, 1 terabyte 7200 RPM, 2.5 inch hard drive, which for those who know what that is, know what I'm talking about, you'll be excited about this. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.